Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be talking about the SEVERIN kettle. It came with the two separate parts. One is the heater and the second is the kettle. I'm using this one approximately for like a month and a half and I had some issues with it. At first I was very satisfied, it did the job. Opens normally, it heats up the water, you have your tea. But after like a month or 3 weeks, not even 3 weeks, it started to have like a water stone. And as you can see, it has a filter here, and this is a water stone. And the same thing is inside. So yeah, it has a water stone after like a month of use. I figured it out. If you take out the water that you didn't use to your tea and maybe like clean up the whole kettle, it will definitely do the job, it do the job.